Alright y'all, very quickly I'm just going to show you how to fix this problem with the twin stick template in Epic. I've been building off of it. I'm new, but ipso facto, when you click your mouse, you can fire projectiles as fast as you want, as fast as you can click, and that's just obviously not the intended behavior. So what we have up here is we've got this enhanced input in your character blueprint, and you just want to take this triggered. It was connected over here to spawn actor, and I've done this stuff here, and all you have to do to get that is come on down over to here where it has your twin stick. If you have a controller and you use your thumbstick, it does the intended behavior. It cannot spam. So you want to copy this branch, you want to paste it either up here or down here so it's easier to see and you can rearrange it easier. And then you just want to pull this trigger straight to this branch and keep it disconnected from all this. And then your auto fire will get called at the proper times and it will be passed through to your spawn right here. And that's how you do it. I'd explain it more, but I don't know that much. I just know that this worked for me, and it's a very simple, easy way to fix your trigger behavior if that was bugging you. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe. I might make more if I figure out more. If you liked it, let me know. Peace.